Now, most traders fail not because they don't have a strategy, but because they trade without discipline. Now, imagine consistently trading setups that takes the guesswork out of the market. That's what trading discipline really is. So in this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my favorite trading setup that's proven to work with any account size on any time frame that helps you build your confidence while sticking to this highly probable opportunity. You guys want to make sure you watch this entire video because I promise it will make a difference. So when trading on a market, it's very important that you focus on quality over quantity. I mean, there are dozens of setups everywhere in the market. But if you're constantly going after everything, you'll find yourself wasting so much time on mediocre opportunities rather than waiting on those that are going to render the results that you're truly after. And I'm telling you, to be a successful trader, it's not about trading all day long in the market. It's about sitting back, waiting for the right ones to come along. And that means you have to be disciplined. So the setup that works well on any time frame, regardless of your account size, would have to be the double top or triple top, or your double bottom or your triple bottom. And as we're going to go over real soon, this particular setup has a built-in confirmation that increases the probability of you winning the trade. So now let me show you all some examples of the double top, double bottom, and triple top, triple bottom. All right, so my favorite setups, all right, that I feel you can do this on any time frame, any account size. You know, it will increase the probability of you winning. Look for double bottoms, look for double tops, or triple bottoms, triple tops, okay? Something that I teach all of my students is this simple rule. Only buy from support, only sell from resistance. In this case here, this is support, so we're only looking to buy the market. Now notice up here I have allow the market to move away from the level, okay? Now what I'm telling you is this. When this market came down here to this level, the market moved away. And when it came back down to this level, yes, it stopped here at the top, but then it went away. When it came back to this level, all right, it was on its way back down. So let's act as if you're not trading the market, you're looking for an opportunity. And you happen to look at this chart and you see the market is pushing down, okay? And it's right around here. You see that, you look left, you can see that every time the market came to here, it bounced. Came back down to this level, it bounced. And the market is on its way back there. So obviously, if you see that, okay, it pulled all the way up to here and is on its way back down, there's a good chance that it's going to come back down to the very same level. And this is where the opportunity comes in. You have to remain disciplined and waiting for the setup to occur at this level. So you need to wait for the market to come back to this level to then wait for the setup, all right, to actually manifest, and then you get in based on your strategy to ride the market up. Now, how far up do you ride the market? Because you saw the market came to here, you saw it came to here. Well, the first thing is ride it up as far as you can until you know, as far as your tolerance would allow. When you are in fear of getting out, if you're in fear of something happening, you get out. If your tolerance would allow you to ride it all the way up, then you keep going with it. Now, if you are riding the market up and you see that it's approaching a place where the market was before, your resistance level, because you're from support, you're going up. So if you see that this is resistance, where the market was before, and it can go back down, it's going up now, then the safe place is to take your money at resistance. You could let it keep going. And if you know my SIT strategy, you allow it to just keep running. But that's the safest place to get out. One, you get out when you're in fear of losing. Two, you get out whenever you say, you know what, I'm done with this. Let me go trade something else. Or you get out when the market reaches resistance in this case. And whenever you're in fear, you just get out. Just get out. Okay? Now, this is when you're looking at a double bottom. So this is a double. You can consider this a triple bottom. Came down to here, went up, came back down, went up, came back down, going up. Okay? So this is the double bottom or triple bottom setup. So now let me show you a double top. So here, notice you have the same thing. This is resistance. So from resistance, we're only going to sell the market. So you have the market, it came up to here, came back down. And just so happened, you open up your chart, you see the market is pushing, going up. And you're like, it was up here before. Perhaps it'll make it back up here again. So you have to remain disciplined and waiting for the setup at that level. You have to allow the market to get up to that level, then wait for the setup to occur. Okay? Now, that takes discipline, and it's very important for us to practice discipline. That's how we're going to be able to get all the great setups. If you see that the market is pushing its way up, the market is going up, and you didn't allow it to come up to here, and you got in on a buy, you got in on a sell, and what if the market pushes up some more? It wasn't ready. You didn't allow this setup here. You need to let the market make it up to here and then show signs of weakening. All right, and that's another point that I want to make. You have to let the market show signs of weakening. Okay? Let the market show signs of weakening. Because once the market makes it up to its level, we're assuming that the bulls are done. The bear is going to come in and take over. All right? And that's when the bulls will show signs of weakening. The bears come in and they pull the market away from resistance. Okay? That's very important. If you can do this, if you can remain disciplined while allowing the market to set up at your level to create that double top or create that double bottom, then your chances of winning your trades will increase drastically. But it takes you to be disciplined. It takes for you to trade at the right volume. Don't over trade, because you'll never allow or even see that trade to fruition. It's going to pull you out of the market, because like I said, if you're too anxious to get in and you don't allow it to set up here and it's pushing up to the level, you're not disciplined and allowing it to set up, and you get in on a sell, anticipating the move going down, and it shoots up higher. Look at this. This candle shot up higher before it actually went down. This could be a reason for losing the market, because you got in too soon. So if you can keep this in mind, you will definitely make some money in the market. All right. And as I mentioned before, it doesn't matter what account size you have. What matters is the discipline in finding the setup and only trading this setup. All right, so just as I always tell you guys, remember, stay healthy, stay safe, and let's always remember to remain and stay creative in the times we live in. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace and blessings, everyone.